Hello, welcome to this quick video tutorial where I show you how to create or make your own private server within a game within Roblox. So here we are on the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, a couple of things about private servers. Number one, not all experiences or games provide the ability to create private servers. Some do, some don't. And then even those that do, some of them provide a free option and others you have to pay a monthly subscription with some Robux. So here we are, and let's say we want to create a private server within Berry Avenue. We click into the experience here, and then we go over, you should see a few different tabs, About, Store, Servers. Go to the Servers tab. You'll see a couple of options here where it says private servers. It'll tell you the price, and then it gives you a button to create a private server. If we click on Create Private Server, you then have the option to give the server a name. We're going to name this server Tutorial, and then we're going to go to Buy Now. As you can see, there's then two options, Customize or Not Now. We can go into Customize by clicking that there, and then you can see that you have a couple of options. You can allow anyone to join, so allow joining. And if you disallow this, it'll make the server inaccessible for you and others to use, so make sure that that is enabled. Where it says friends allowed, if we click the checkbox here, that's going to allow your friends on your friends list to join that server, right? And then you're going to see server members where you can go here and you can click on add people and you can search them by their username and manually one by one add them to your server. And then a private server link. If we click generate here, it's going to give you a link right here where you can go and click the copy button here. It'll copy that button there. And now when you paste it into a URL, it'll automatically take that person directly to where they can load into or join that private server. Couple of things though about servers, like here is a different experience here called Horse World. If we go to the servers tab here, you can see there's going to be a price. This is a 20 Robux price per month. So if we go here and go to create private server, you can see it's letting you know that that price is 20 Robux. And then you go ahead and go to server name. Go ahead and name the server and then go to Buy Now and then go to Not Now on Customize. Now under private servers, you're going to see the max number of people, the person who created it, the name of the server, and then to configure that, what you would do is you click these three dots right here where you see underneath the private servers, go to configure, and then as you can see, subscription status is going to be set to active, which means every month, on the 29th of said month, I will be docked 20 Robux. So it's a subscription just like anything else, just with a different currency. And when you want to cancel that, you just uncheck that. And as you can see, the expiration date is going to be this date here, and I will no longer be charged that 20 Robux per month. So that's it. That's how you create a private server within Roblox and all of the details within. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.